In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet the 1-row repeat scarf pattern. You can use this pattern for scarves, blankets, whatever you feel like. It's a very easy 1-row repeat. And we're basically just making V-stitches. It has a lovely drape to it. This scarf was made with 1 ball of Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle in the color Cactus Flower. So if this looks like a project for you, grab your hook, grab some yarn, and I will show you how to crochet this easy 1-row repeat scarf. For this tutorial, I am using Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle. This is the colorway Cactus Flower. It is a 4-weight acrylic yarn, and I'm using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start with a slip knot on our hook, and for this stitch pattern you want a multiple of 3 plus 2 plus 1. So you're going to chain any multiple of 3. For this tutorial I'm going to chain 15 as my multiple of 3. So I have my multiple of 3, which is 15. You're going to add 2 chains. 1, 2. So I have 17 plus 1. I have a total of 18 chains. If you want to do a scarf, I chained 36 as my multiple of 3 plus 2 plus 1 for a total of 39 chains, and all of that information is down below. For row 1, we're going to work a double crochet back into the 4th chain away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double crochet into that 4th chain. Chain 1, double crochet into the next chain. And here is your row repeat. We're going to skip a chain, and then we're going to work a double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet into the next. Skip the next chain, work a double crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, double crochet into the next chain. And that is how you're going to repeat along your foundation chain for row 1. So we skip 1, work a double crochet in the next chain, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain, and then repeat that. Skip a chain, double crochet in the next chain, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain. At the end, you should have 1 chain left. You're just going to work a double crochet into that chain to finish row 1. For row number 2, and this is the pattern repeat row, you're just going to repeat this row over and over again until you get your desired length. We're going to start with a chain 3, turn, and into every chain 1 space, so you're going to skip those first 2 double crochets, and in between the 2nd and 3rd is your chain 1. So into every chain 1 space, we're going to work a V-stitch. And a V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in that same space. We're going to skip 2 double crochets, and the next space, work a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that space, skip 2 double crochets, and into the next space, work a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and it's as easy as that. Skip 2 double crochets, the next space, work a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, all in that same space. I've got one chain one space left, so I'm skipping those 2 double crochets, finding that next chain one space, working my V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. We've got 2 double crochets left. There's that turning chain right on the end, and we're just going to work a double crochet in the top of the turning chain. If we do one more row together, this is the repeat. We're chaining 3, we're turning, and we can see those chain 1 spaces a little bit easier after row 2. You're just going to work a V-stitch into each chain 1 space. So a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in that same space, skip to the next chain 1 space and work a V-stitch. Skip to the next chain 1 space and work a V-stitch. So this pattern is super simple, 1 row repeat. It works up really quickly. You get a really nice drape. Perfect for scarves, cowls, blankets. After your last V-stitch, you're going to skip that next double crochet, find the top of the turning chain, and just work a double crochet into the top of that turning chain. And as you can see, it's a really nice pattern, super easy. You can make it into any length that you want. This is made with 1 ball of the Roll With It Sparkle by Red Heart, which is approximately 561 yards. Really nice drape, and if you use this sparkle yarn, you get an added sparkle in your project. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!